Today we learn English words for popular snacks and sweets. Candy, chocolate, cookies, cake, and ice cream names help with shopping and menus. These words appear in everyday conversations at stores and restaurants. Lollipop is a hard candy on a stick, easy to hold and lick. Candy means any sweet treat you suck or chew. Chocolate bar is flat chocolate you break into pieces. Sucker is another name for lollipop in some places. Cookie is a small baked sweet with sugar and butter. Biscuit means cookie in British English, but bread in American English. Chocolate chip cookie has small chocolate pieces baked inside. Oatmeal cookie uses oats for chewy texture. Cake is soft, sweet baked bread with frosting on top. Birthday cake has candles for celebrations. Cheesecake is creamy dessert baked or chilled. Cupcake is small cake in paper holder. Ice cream is frozen sweet cream you scoop and eat. Shaved ice is frozen water shaved thin with sweet syrup. Sundae is ice cream with toppings like sauce and nuts. Cone holds ice cream instead of bowl. Chocolate comes from cocoa beans, sweet and smooth. Chocolate bar is solid chocolate in rectangle shape. Milk chocolate mixes cocoa with milk for creamy taste. Dark chocolate has more cocoa, less sweet and bitter. Popcorn are corn kernels popped with hot air or oil. Pretzel is salty twisted dough baked or soft. Snack bar mixes nuts, grains, and chocolate pressed together. Candy bar wraps chocolate with fillings like caramel. Gummy candy are soft, chewy shapes like bears or worms. Hard candy you suck slowly until gone. Honey is sweet, sticky liquid from bees. Cherry is small red fruit used in sweets and cakes. Say, "I would like chocolate" when ordering at store. Ask for one ice cream, please, at ice cream shop. Order box of cookies for sharing. Request slice of cake at bakery or restaurant. Remember candy and chocolate words for store shopping. Cookies and cake names help at bakeries. Ice cream vocabulary works at dessert shops. Snacks and sweets cover all treats you see daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.